The first thing we wanted to do was upgrade the axles, so we're going to do that with these Trakmotive extended travel CV axle assemblies. And the reason that we're doing that is because they wanted the lift kit, the bigger tires, bigger wheels, and all that. So, you know, you're going to be off-road. There's going to be the suspension travel is going to be a little bit more. You got that heavy wheel and tire out there. So we want to compensate for that with a better axle, and we're able to do that with these.
So these have an 8-ball inner and outer bearing design, and what that allows you to get is a lot more articulation. So you can go up to 47 degrees of articulation, which allows you to have the suspension travel, right, and doesn't get into a bind. It doesn't lock up on the axle itself.
It also slides back and forth, you know, like that. So in that whole idea of range of motion, going up and down and in and out and impact resistance and everything, they're just built to take that with all new parts. All right, so nice job getting that out of the way. We can slide these back in, and then we can start working on that lift kit.
Yep.